All right. So let's go ahead and run our first Hello World application. In fact, we're actually going to create a project in Eclipse. So what you do here, right click inside of our panel to the left here, project panel here. You either right click and say Java project, or if you want, you can just go file and new project. Okay, so I'm going to right click here, new, say Java project. Of course, I'm going to call this Hello World and make sure all of this is as it is over here and go next. And I'm just going to go ahead and say finish. Right away, you will see to the left here, we have our Hello World project file. So click on that to open up, and inside you'll see this source src. We want to create a package. A package essentially in Java is a way for us to organize our code. So it's very important that you always put things in a package. That way code is well organized, and there's other benefits as well. But for now, just think of it as a place where you put code and get everything organized, right? So right click, say new, we're gonna say package. A convention used to naming packages. So usually it's the reverse domain name, meaning if your domain name is, for instance, magadistudio.com, so you do the reverse of that. So you do com.magadistudio, and then that you put a name of the application. In this case, I can just put Hello World, right? Of course, you can put whatever you want, and you can even put something else, but this is the convention used to creating packages names, okay? Okay, say finish, and there you have it. You now have a package name, all right? So now inside of the package name, we're going to create our first class. So right click, say new, say Java class here, click on that, and there you have it. Now we have to name our class. Let's say Hello World, why not? And make sure we have public, and also here at the bottom where it says which method stubs would you like to create. And let's go ahead and make sure we have this public static void main here method created. Okay, so let's go finish. It will go ahead and create this static void main method here, which we need. So we can get rid of this. Okay, that's not needed. And now inside here, this is where magic happens. This is where we're gonna start writing our code. So the first thing we need to do, we're gonna go ahead and say system. As you can see, there it is. In this case, our Eclipse will guess what you're trying to type. That way it just helps you code faster and more accurately. Okay, so system dot, right, out dot println, the first one there, right? Hit enter, and now we can put a string or a message inside here, but all has to be inside of quotes. Okay, and now inside there we can say Hello World. Let's save this. Okay, now we have our system.out.println, which will do something here really cool. And once you have that, save it and say run, and look at the bottom here in our console, we have Hello World. Perfect. This is great. So you've written your first Hello World application. Obviously, there's not much you can do with this, but this is a stepping stone and makes you feel like you are learning something. And that's really, really good. That's very important. In any programming language, you have to learn how to write a Hello World. Now you've done it. Congratulations. All right, so congratulations, and I'll see you in the next video.